Just replace the rear and front brakes. All you have to do, I can't even see it, small pin right here. Push that pin through with a screwdriver and a hammer. Your two bolts in your back, your caliper. That's the old brake pads. There's the new. And these won't last at all because these are OEM. So, I'll show you how to do the fronts too. Okay, here's the fronts. That's the pin I'm talking about, right there. Just pull this pin out, and then hammer it this way with a little screwdriver. Push that pin through, take these two bolts out, right there, one underneath. Caliper comes out. Compress the caliper. One of these costs like $2. Using the old pad, like that. Press the pistons back in. They'll both go at the same time. Then you're good to go. Put it all back together. Took about 30 minutes for all four. Pretty easy job, so just letting y'all know it's out there. I couldn't find anything myself, so I wanted to make something. Okay, first brake change, all metal to metal. And let's see, 103 miles. And call it 39 hours. The brakes are burn up. So hopefully these last longer, but no they won't.